Yeah, I'm at the feeder again. Looks like the first young ones of this season with the goldfinches. Baby's on the try and get fed. There you go. Mum's feeding him or Dad's feeding him. Flapping his wings like a good one.
We haven't seen an ocelot yet, so let's give Percy something while we're here. We'll give him two.
And I give him enough, so he's still flopping.
This serval cat was also rescued from someone's home.
Servals are known for their leaping ability, where they jump up and actually, snag birds out of the air. So we're going to throw this on top, hopefully it'll go through, and we'll see if Roxy will jump for it. Roxy.
Oh, come here, shit, you can't sleep.
Exactly. He was bred as a pet, coolly decooled and condemned to a life in a cage before he was rescued.
This is Favorite, he's a black leopard. Our last big leopard.
Where is he?
Whoa!
Wow, what a big cat.
We have about 130 cats here at the sanctuary, and we turn from 100 to 300 cats a year away just because we don't have the money or the room. So we could never rescue every cat because there's just too many that don't have good homes.
Meanwhile, Bengal tigers Shere Khan and China Doll are waiting for their treats. So what do I do, Scott? Just chuck it?
The parents too busy feeding the souls, so they think about the baby.
He's a huge
He's still sitting there waiting. Look.
Here we go. You ready?
And you see the one. Look at how many they've reared.
Well, seeing these tigers swim is a real treat. And seeing such a huge animal is like, you just can't believe that anyone would even think of having a
Seems to say this is the first one of the season.
Yeah, owning a pet should be
2010.
something that benefits both the owner and the animal. Having an animal like this is incredibly selfish, and the sooner it's made illegal here in America, the better.
Watch out for more amazing pet and wildlife rescues next time on Animal Rescue.
Just hang around a bit, see if you feed him again.
Next, more wonders from the world of wildlife. The feathered friend who's got scientists rather excited with his larger than average bird brain. Extraordinary animals and a tip here on Fine.
We watched her growing older, but now Haley's growing up, and new treatment is offering her hope for the future.
Surprising how many kinds of birds you got in your garden. And until you put a feeder up, you don't see them.
Her incredible story begins a new chapter.
I never thought we got goldfinches in my back garden.
Extraordinary people returns with a 96-year-old schoolgirl.
But goldfinches, greenfinches, or even had bullfinches down here.
For the past 20 years, one of the world's greatest action heroes has been serving in the Louisiana police force.
Blue tits, great tits.
Until now. Look at this here. Steven Seagal, lawman. Coming soon to 5 USA.
Well, the baby's down there, but there's no food in there. These proud tailing and whatever. They'll be flapping again in a minute after some more food.
What sort of nighting would you arrange using the pay monthly plan from T-Mobile? Superhero!
Soon as say parents too busy feeding the souls.
300 minutes, unlimited
Probably getting ready for the next nest now.
flexible booster, all for just £25 a month. Plus one of these latest
Now these are fledged. I don't know how many they've had. I only see the one.
800 956 30.
There's no more, I don't think. I don't see any.
Then text 19 to 3000 for 5
No.
£5 from Blockbuster.
No more flying around.
He loves it. Just because he's got
Hey, up they gone. That's it.
Try and use that.
Okay then.